Hi friends, welcome to Lacksmiths 31. I'm Sai Lakshmi. Hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to talk about understanding of data model in Tableau. Let's get started. In Tableau data model, we have two different layers. One is a logical layer and other one is physical layer. In logical layer, we can see one logical table is combined or connected to another logical table, and we can connect to multiple logical tables as well. And in physical layer, we can see one physical table is connected to multiple physical tables or join. We can perform join or union operations on multiple physical tables within a physical layer. And if you observe the picture over here, logical table A is connected to physical layer. That means when you click on a logical table, you will be able to see a physical layer underlying beneath it. So in physical layer, what happens is whatever join operations or union operations we would like to perform on multiple tables, we will be able to do that in physical layer, and it will be lying underneath logical table or logical canvas. The same way, if you observe logical table B, we have only one table which is in a physical layer, and it is underlying beneath the logical table. So it could be, though it's a single table or multiple tables, it will be placed within a physical layer and then it will be underlying beneath the logical canvas or logical table. Let me open Tableau desktop and show you how we can interpret it. Before that, let me give you a brief overview of how it looks like. So on the left side, we have logical layer where a logical table is connected through nodes with multiple logical tables. And in the right side, we have physical layer where Venn diagrams or joins have been used to connect with two or more tables. And when you double click on a logical table, which is a book which is represented in the left side with a Venn diagram, when you click on it, you will see the physical tables where the join operations have been performed, which picture has been displayed in the right side. Let me open Tableau desktop and show you how it can be done. So I have opened sample superstore data model, which is available for everyone. You can easily download it by installing the Tableau desktop. As soon as you open Tableau desktop, you'll be able to see this particular dashboard. And I have went into the sheet and clicked on data source, and you can see the data model related to the sample superstore workbook. So this is a logical layer because you can see it is connected through noodles. I mean, three different logical tables have been combined using noodles. In Tableau, we call relationships as noodles. And this is a logical table. So when I place the cursor over here, I can see a suggestion pops up over here. So let me double click on it, and let's see, when I double click on it, I can see a physical table is present inside the logical canvas. So we have only one table available over here. That's why it is displaying one table. Orders is made of one table. You'll be able to join multiple tables within this canvas or even perform union operators. So if you want, I can even show that. Let me bring you like orders and perform a union on top of that. So if you observe here, orders is made of two tables. Now the union operation has been performed on orders. That's why I can see three underlying tables over here. Orders plus union. You'll be able to, when you place your cursor, you'll be able to see that. So let me remove that and go back by closing this window. So we have another logical table over here, and I've clicked on it. and we have only one table. People is made of one table. So let me bring people and perform union on top of that. Now, as soon as you bring people here and perform union on top of that, you can see people is made of two tables. So inside a logical layer, you'll be able to join or perform union operation on multiple physical tables. And let me close it and go back. So as soon as you do something as soon as we perform union operation, you can see the symbol has been changed. So you can see the pop-up as well. Logical table people, union tables, people, people one. Double click this logical table to see its physical tables. So that means it is suggesting us to double click on it to view the physical tables lying beneath the logical table. So this is how you can mm, perform data modeling in Tableau. So this is the topmost layer where the logical layer helps us to combine tables without performing union or join operations. Whereas within a physical layer, we will be able to perform union or join operations and combine these tables with the help of noodles. Hope you find my video helpful.
Thank you guys. Thanks for landing at my channel Laxmails31. If you like my video or like my content, please like, share and let me know in the comments what could have been better. And if you have any questions for me, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.